Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Abayomi Okonobi. I'm here today to talk about master budget. What do we really understand by master budget? A master budget is a set of a budgeted financial statements and other supporting schedules for the entire organization. These are financial documents that are prepared that assist the organization to plan and to coordinate every financial activity for over a period of time. Today, I'll be talking about the components of master budget. When we talk of master budget, it entails number one, sales budget. A sales budget is the backbone of a master budget. A sales budget is a detailed schedule showing the expected sales for the budget period. Typically, it is expressed in both dollars and unit of production. An accurate sales budget is the key to the entire budgeting in some ways. When we talk about sales budget, it tells us the product, units to be sold, selling price, and total sales. In this situation, I might use the cupcake truck business as an example. In this situation, she's expected to sell red cake of 1,000 units for $10. That totals $10,000. A cupcake, 200 units, $7 each. That amounts to $1,400. The brownies, that's 180 units for $8. That amounts to $1,440. And the total of everything is $13,440. That is the sales budget for the cake truck business. After the sales budget, we have the production budget. The production budget is the prepared after sales budget. The production budget lists the number of units that must be produced for the purpose of sales. Each budget period must meet the projected sales and the production for the entire period. In the production budget, we have products to be produced and the units. In this situation, we have the red cake, we have 1,000 units. The cupcake, we have 200 units. Brownies, we have 180 units. And the regular cake, we have 120 units. That totals 150 units of cake to be produced for the purpose of sale. After that, we have the direct material budget. Direct material budget, or material budgeting as it may be called, details the raw materials that must be purchased to fulfill the production requirements and to provide for adequate inventories. Direct materials are the tangible things that is encompassed in the product that could be seen physically. In direct material budgets, we have the material needed, we have the quantity, we have the cost price, and we have the total price. Like in cake industry, the direct materials we have in there are flour, the yeast, the eggs, and the sugar. In this situation, we have a flour that's 1,000 pounds for $650, the yeast 200 pounds for $370, eggs 180 crates for $280, and sugar 120 pounds for $250. That amounts to $1,550 for the direct material budget. The direct labor budget requires every human resources that is directly involved in the manufacturing process. Every individual that is directly involved in the production process. The direct labor budget specifies that the departments, units of items, the hours needed, and the hourly rate. In this situation, in the cake industry, we have the mixing department and the baking department. Both are expected to work on 1,500 units, and the hours needed for the mixing is 100 hours, while baking 200 hours. The rate for each is $10 per hour. So we have $3,000 in total for the direct labor budget. Manufacturing overhead budget. This provides a schedule for all costs of production other than direct materials and direct labor. In this, we have the indirect wages, power and light, depreciation on equipment, insurance and property tax, indirect materials, and every other thing that we use other than direct material and direct labor. The selling and administrative budgets. These are the things involved in making sales. In this situation, we have the truck, fueling, the truck insurance, and miscellaneous. We have the base for every master budget is the budgeted income statement. This shows the company's planned profit for the upcoming budget period, and it stands as the benchmark against which subsequent company performances can be measured. With this, we have the revenue from sales, cost of goods sold, gross profit, total operating expenses, income from operation, and taxes. Then we have the net income. I think with the little understanding I've given, I think the master budget is very important in every organization, regardless of the size of the business, because it enables us to plan and coordinate towards the organizational purpose and objective. Thank you. Have a blessed day.